Imagine a land where the sun blazes on endless beaches, where kangaroos hop across vast plains, and where vibrant cities buzz with life and culture. Welcome to the marvel that is Australia. Begin the journey in the heart of the country, Alice Springs. Marvel at the red sandy soil that stretches to the horizon and the iconic silhouette of Uluru rising majestically from the earth. This ancient landscape tells a story as old as time, where Aboriginal culture thrives and the spirit of the outback is alive and well. Next, be transported to the sunny, surf-kissed shores of the Gold Coast. Feel the golden sand between your toes and the warm sun on your skin. The Gold Coast is not just about the beach, though. It's a place of contrast, where the high rises of surfers' paradise stand tall against the backdrop of the hinterland's lush rainforests. From the beaches, we journey to the cosmopolitan heart of Australia, Melbourne. Known for its vibrant art scene, Melbourne is a city that exudes style and sophistication. Wander through the labyrinth of laneways, each one brimming with street art, boutique shops and cozy cafes. Melbourne is a city that invites you to get lost and discover its secrets. The journey doesn't end there. Travel to the rugged wilderness of Tasmania, where pristine forests meet the roaring Southern Ocean. Explore the haunting beauty of Port Arthur, a former penal colony, and breathe in the cleanest air in the world atop Mount Wellington. Finally, end the journey in the bustling city of Sydney. Stand in awe of the iconic Sydney Opera House, a masterpiece of modern architecture. Stroll through the historic Rocks District and feel the pulse of the city in the vibrant markets, bustling cafes and chic boutiques. Australia is a land of contrasts, a place where ancient culture meets modern city life, where the desert meets the sea, and where every journey is an adventure. From the red heart of the outback to the glittering Gold Coast, from the stylish streets of Melbourne to the wild beauty of Tasmania and the vibrant energy of Sydney, Australia is a destination that has it all. So next time you're yearning for a journey that will captivate your senses, remember Australia. It's a land that is as diverse as it is beautiful, as surprising as it is welcoming, and as unique as it is unforgettable. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys around the globe. Until then, dream of the places you'll go and the adventures that await in the incredible land down under.